The window covering industry is growing rapidly. Look around you. With windows now almost everywhere, the demand for roller blinds and shades for interior spaces is fast increasing all across the world. UNITEC Textile Decoration Limited is here to meet this demand. We know the struggles companies go through to acquire roller blind fabrics for their end consumers. From poor product quality and harsh payment terms, to large MOQ and long delivery periods. All these make it hard for businesses to meet their customers' needs and stay in business. Let us help. At UNITEC, we are the leading manufacturer of fabrics that specializes in producing a wide variety of roller blind fabrics. We have endless options in fabric collections, from roller blind fabrics, sunscreen fabrics, zebra blinds, shades and shutters, as well as pearl soft backlit fabrics. Try us. Unlike other manufacturers, we don't waste your time or money. We strive to deliver exactly what you need on time and at the lowest minimum order quantity. You no longer have to worry about spending thousands of dollars, as we are experts at reducing costs and avoid all costly mistakes made by others. We have the strongest process innovation, the best customer service and responsiveness, and offer reduced costs on all your shipping inventories. So what's it going to be? No one knows more than we do about fabric design and performance. With us, you will find the perfect roller blind solution for every situation. We can produce waterproof, fire retardant, antibacterial, anti-mildew, and any other special function you may need. We get it right the first time, every time. It's a simple choice. So what are you waiting for? Want to reduce risk and overhead? Buy your blinds fabric from us today. UNITEC. Manufacturing, R&D, and designing roller blind fabrics since 2002. Make life happier.